Hi, my name is Billy Martin. I'm the developer of the RASCAL Eradicator. The RASCAL Eradicator is a carbon monoxide delivery system that allows a person to control burrowing pests on their property in a safe, humane, and efficient manner. The hose goes in the ground. You tamp dirt around it. It doesn't come back out into the atmosphere, so that the operator is not in any danger of getting carbon monoxide himself. It stays underground, and when the process is through, it dissipates so it doesn't damage the soil. The animal is left in its burrow permanently. I had a problem with moles. An old fellow was there, and some of my pipe racks were sinking because of the moles, and I complained to him, and he said, get rid of them with exhaust from an engine. And then I was presented with the problem 10 years ago, and I remembered that, so that's how it got started, and I developed it from there. There are people that have the same problem, but their methods are probably different. It's designed to do hard work. It's quite durable. All of the exhaust parts are stainless steel. It comes with an attachment that's separate but available, that you can actually put it on a hitch and pull it behind a four-wheeler. It's quite easy to pull around without it. It has turning casters on the front. The handle is movable so that it's easy to move around off the smooth surfaces. These are easy starting engines. Anyone can start them. It runs for an hour and a half on the tank of gas. You know, we have interest and have sold some to airports, mainly for prairie dogs that dig under the runways. We also have sold some to telephone companies in the north for gophers that dig around their telephone poles and the poles begin to fall over. It's a one-time expense, and then after that it's like running your lawnmower. You keep your property free and clear of burrowing pests as they come back. And it will last for years and run for years with good service.